Hey guys, it's Jenny, and I'm here with another video, which you obviously know, duh. Okay, so today's video is all about back to school, super simple makeup, just enough so you feel pretty, but you don't look like you tried too hard. Know what I'm saying? So that is what today's video is about. And before we get into that, I just want to mention if you haven't checked out my unboxing, my bracelet unboxing, please check that out. I will link that video in the description box. These came from it and I love them, and my son stole my other one because he likes them too. So make sure you go check that video out. And yeah, don't forget, if you like this video, to hit that thumbs up. Really helps me out. Subscribe please if you haven't yet. I would absolutely adore that. I'm so weird today. And hit the bell to become part of the hashtag notification nation, and you'll be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So now, with all of that being said, let's go ahead and let's get into the video. Okay, so for this video, we are just using simple, easy to find products, and yeah, I'm gonna swap something out because I know some people are having a hard time finding that. Okay, so sorry, just thinking. All right, I'm gonna start with eyes, and because this is gonna be like a simple back to school, chuck on some makeup before we miss the bus kind of situation, I'm going to start off with some concealer, and I'm just going to put that on as a base for my shadow instead of, you know, some people don't have. I mean, you can use a eyeshadow primer if you have it, which I do have it, but like a lot of people don't bother buying that for some reason, so they just use concealer, which also works. So there you go, pop on your concealer. And today I'm going to be using, look at that, that's how I film, hi, the Soft and Sultry palette by Milani. I've used it once and I'm already in love. So we are going to go into we're gonna go into this color right here, which is Smoking Hot. Is that right? Yeah, I guess Smoking Hot, I think. And we are going to just pop that in the crease and really like blend it out. Also dab a little on the outer corner. Just super simple. This past weekend, actually it was Sunday, was my 1-year anniversary with my husband. So that was, well, we just kind of hung out at home, but still exciting. A whole year flew by so fast. I mean, like, it feels like it was 6 months, not a year. But it was a year. Holla. Got married on 8/18/18. That was a good date. Wow, Jack, you need to buff that out. Got a little carried away there, huh? Clean brush, buff that out a little bit. Okay, so there's that. And now, oh my gosh, I got something in my eye. It was an eyelash. Okay, so that's out of my eye now. now we're going to go in with that color, and I'm just going to take my finger, just tap it on. Just gives you a little bit of shimmer, not too much shimmer, but something, a little pop of something, you know? Just a little pop of something. And if you want to go this far, you can take a little darker color, which actually that is pretty dark, but take some of that and just add a little dimension right in the corner. Just quick little boom boom. There you go. Just enough to, you know, give that a little bit of dimension. You see? That's it. And because this is super simple, we don't need liner. We're just gonna throw on some mascara. I'm gonna use the Believe Beauty Voluminize Mascara. I almost poked myself in the eye, and I got it on my lid, so I will have to brush that away. And there's that. Now you can pop on any primer you want, whatever primer you use usually. I'm going to use the Emani Miracle 7-in-1 Primer Serum that I got from Emani Vegan Cosmetics. I'm going to use that and just pop it on. It's a little tacky, which is good because we want it to, you know. Ugh. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to be using this Sassy and Chic that I got from the Dollar Tree because it is more of like a BB cream type foundation. You can use whatever foundation you have, whatever BB cream you may have, whatever you find works best for you. I prefer a little BB cream for, you know, just kind of more natural, everyday type of look. This is a little light since I have gotten a little tiny bit of sun. I haven't really gotten that much sun, but it's okay. And that is it for the moment. I may want to go over it one more time. We'll see. I'm going to take this. It's a Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Call Me Maple. I'm just going to take this. I am almost out. And do that. And that. And that. And do I want to take a sponge or a brush? I'm going to use this angled blush brush and just blend that out. If you want, you can do the nose. You don't have to. I'm gonna, just because I'm so used to contouring my nose that it looks weird to me when I don't. Take this sponge, just kind of go over that, blend it a little better maybe get a little more of your BB cream or foundation, what have you. I'm gonna go down the nose with that, right down the middle. Alright, I'm gonna go over this so it's a little more natural. Okay, just like that. Okay, so there is that. Let's do a blush. Any blush will do, whatever blush you want. I'm using the Tarte Amazon Clay 12-Hour Blush in Feisty. I use this a lot because I like it. I like the tone, I like the color. Just add a dab, just a little blush, don't go overboard. People will be like, ah. Okay, I'm gonna do this. This is fun. Okay, we're gonna do the Hello Halo liquid highlight. We're going to use a sponge to blend it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go dot, dot, dot. And blend. Just to give you a little highlight. And do the same over here. Dot, 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 dot. To give a little glow. Always gotta have a little glow. Alright. Dot, dot, dot. Oh god. Okay. Let's do this first. There. Little glow. Little glow. Little glow. Holler. Okay, so there is your subtle highlight. Now we are going to do brows. Yeah, what do I want to use for brows? I know what I want. I want Believe Beauty brow powder, because it's, I don't know if you know this, but brow powder is a little more natural looking, and yeah, you don't want crazy like sculpted brows when your makeup is this subtle, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just digging into that color, and we are just going to put that through the brows. There you go. There you go. Brows. Brows. They're a little intense, but I think that's more because of the color. So, brows are done. Now for what? Now for setting spray. Yeah, hi. I'm going to use this setting spray, Slay All Day by Gerard Cosmetics. You use whatever setting spray you have, and Milani. Stupid nose. I have dry skin on my nose. Okay, so there's that, and then you just pop on a little bit of lip gloss or lip balm, chapstick, anything really on your lips. I am using Kiss Assist by Gerard Cosmetics, the plumping lip gloss. You can use a colored lip balm if you'd rather like have a little hint of color or whatever, but I am cool with natural colored lips. So that is it. That's all you do. Brows are a little crazy though. That is kind of driving me nuts. Let me just get a different spoolie. There. That's better. Okay, so that is it. That is it for this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up if you like it. So, yes. I just an FYI, in my description box, you will find links. There's a link to my son, his YouTube. He posts like never. But the link's there. There's a link to my new Facebook page. Facebook was giving us a hard time changing the name of my previous one, so there is a link to that new one in my description box. There's also links to my dear friend Christina's channels. She has discounting channel, she has a vlog channel, and she's really trying to grow. So make sure you go and please check her out, because let me tell you something, she has helped me out so much. So the least I can do is try to drive some people to her channel. So if you would check that out for me, that'd be great. And I'm pretty sure those are pretty much all the links I wanted to mention. So yeah, that is it for this video. Here is your super simple back to school makeup, just enough to be like, hello, I'm put together, but I am not too glam. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, check out those links, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.